Hello guys, guess where I am now? Yeah, you are right, I am in the factory and today we have an e-bike finished and I'll introduce it to you guys, including its specifications, performance, and we'll have a test. Yes, come on. As we can see, it is a step-over version, and the bike frame ensures reliability as it is composed of a 6061 aluminum alloy frame, which maintains its form on different roads. The frame uses spray painting plus electrophoresis technology, so it is smoothing. Let's go to the motor now. With a maximum torque of 160 Newton per meters and 1000 volts rated power output, the G510 buffer mid motor is predestined for high-end e-bikes, as it will definitely get the heaviest loads accelerated on even the steepest incline. The bike uses a 48 volts 20 amp-hour Samsung lithium battery, which gives the bike a long range upon getting fully charged, and it also has a USB charging port, which can support mobile devices. The another selling point for this e-bike is this e-bike uses a Gates-built transmission. The biggest advantage is probably weight savings. You will save about 200 grams with the belt drive versus a twin drive. Another advantage is cleanness. Since you don't have to oil a belt, it will stay cleaner. Here we go. The large high-contrast color matrix display delivers all important data at a glance. The display also has an USB port to support mobile devices. Keep your mobile phone charged while on the go with a USB plug. On your left handlebar, there are 3 buttons. The hydraulic suspension helps to decrease the bumpy feelings when you hit something hard. And the front and rear LED lights is also important. Your nighttime vision becomes clear, and also the vehicles on the road can easily spot you from a distance. So this helps you have a safe riding experience in the nighttime. This bike is not only can use pedals, but also it has throttle. If you do not want to pedal hard to reach your destination, activate the throttle mode with the push button. In a fraction of seconds, the bike shoots up to go farther. With the throttle features, you can maintain a constant bike speed for a while and enjoy a free ride, so you reach your destination in the least time possible. Now, get your hands on the Gates-built mid-drive powerful electric bike, equipped with a 1000 motor. The bike is equipped with a smart torque sensor, which adjusts the bike speed according to the force you are placing on the pedals. Ride this e-bike with confidence on the street or nearly any terrain, including soft sand, mud, and even snow. With the powerful buffer mid motor, you'll have enough torque to get through the most demanding of conditions and enough speed available to keep up with mopeds.